having a wife, Teddy Naluswa Mujingo, still living. He went through a ceremony of marriage with Susan Mapula Nantaba. Have you understood?
I understood your own, and it's not true.
Married with a person previously married, contrary to section 42 of the Marriage Act, Cap 251. Susan Mapula. Susan Mapula Nantaba on the 7th day of December 2021 at Kaumpu, Katabi Town Council, Wakiso District, being unmarried. He went through a ceremony of marriage with Pastor Aloysius Bujingo, a person he knew to be married to Teddy Naluswa Bujingo. Have you understood? Is it true? Not true.